Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add a VPN connection on your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro or the iPhone 12 Max. Now first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on settings. In settings we want to go down and tap on general. Then from here go down and tap on VPN. In VPN I already have a connection set up, but that's okay. We can also set up another VPN connection. So I'm going to tap on add VPN configuration. In here you need to choose the type. So you need to know which type of VPN connection you are connecting to. So if you have purchased a VPN service, or if there is a free service, they would have give you information as to which type of VPN connection you are using. So in this video I'm going to choose L2TP, and then I tap on the back key. In here we need to put in the description, so I can just paste in the description that I have before, and I just label this one as number 2. So you need to put in the server information. So the server information is free L2TPVPN.com. Now you need to get this correct information from your VPN service. So depending on whether you are purchasing or getting a free VPN service, you need to get this information from the administrator of that website. And then we go down to account. So the one I'm using at the moment is free. So from this website here, it's free, and I've got the US account information right here. You can go to this website to get the free VPN. You can just refresh the page, you get the user account and password. So the account name is that one there. I'm just going to double check. So the account is free L2TPVPN.com. The password is 4489, and the secret code is down here. So that is the secret or the pre-share key. They are the same thing, and I'm just gonna paste it in because I have already copied it to the clipboard. So I'm just gonna paste it in, and then I'm going to check everything to make sure everything is filled in correctly, and then tap on done. Next, in order for you to connect, you need to first select which VPN connection or which VPN configuration profile that you want to use. And once it is selected, you tap on the status button. Once you tap on this switch, it will try to attempt to connect to the VPN server. Once it is connected, you can see it say VPN up here on the corner. And if you swipe down, it also tells you that you are connecting to a VPN service. So that's how you can tell, and that's it. So that's how you can add in a VPN connections on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. So now you are browsing under a virtual private network, and that's it. So you can browse privately or within that virtual network. And yeah, so you can browse freely privately as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.